All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. T.C.B, the country boy. I was doing a Naughty by Nature song the other day, and somebody was saying how there is a song that the guy named is Tretch, I think, something like that, was really good friends with Tupac. They were like best buddies or whatever, and he really loved Tupac a lot, and that he did this song saying, "Mourn you till I join you." So I wanted to play that. Check it out. Y'all give me the link to it. I appreciate it. I had like 3-4 people, bam, 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 say, man, you got to check this song out. It fits with, you know, Tupac. So yeah, let's do this bad boy. And let's take a look. Naughty by Nature, Tretch, I guess is what his name is. Mourn you till I join you. All right, here we go.
It's gonna be all right. You better believe that.
Dear God, times are changing and the weather got hot. Over the past year, a lot of niggas with props drop. So I thank you for my life and all that I got. I wanna praise you and drop off a message to Pop. I was sitting here looking at your picture, my nigga, putting hash with the weed with a mixture of liquor. We can't kick it, you ain't with us, is the shit I can't figure. Nigga, I miss you. The snow I'm going more, you tell I'm with you. It was 90 on the PE tour when we met. Damn, don't even seem like 7 years past. Both roadies now homies out the hood on the scene. You did the Humpty with the U, I did the walk with the Queen. Was a dream, smoking and drinking throughout per diem. Still in backstage passes to hit hoes in Coliseums. Found those that flip up, make them lift they shit up. Get it, then get up, look the chicks up, then flip up. Pick up all the dimes till our room was mob. Male groupies got this and got the hell out of Dodge. They was blinded when the good shine through. They were on you. Just know I'm gonna mourn you till I join you.
Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now. In God we trust. Even all the praise can bring it back to us. I want you till I do you, cause I'm keeping touch.
We were two little niggas, both skinny and broke. Happy if we scrap pennies for smoke. Tours over, we were out. Yeah, then you called with the news. You was over in New York to film this movie called Juice. Called you back up, you told me pack up. Me and you and Stretch could shack up. The thug love back up the act up. Shock him and Atron were calling fuss, cause they knew we all kicked up dust. You remember when that cabbie said that he wouldn't pick up our rate? We beat his ass and then you spit in his face. I remember on the set from the trailer, Fiend stole your juice and Big Stretch punched him out of his shoes. Back then I was taking stashes quick, who holding? That's why every piece of bud I was rolling was stolen. We would laugh at the jacks over 6-packs and yaks. Spit the M's over demos, thinking ladies in limos. You's a wild motherfucker who could never sit still. Said you couldn't rest till you seen a mill. Nigga, I felt you. We was back and forth from Borough to Project with Forts. Damn, I wish they knew how much you love New York. Shit. And can't nobody diss my nigga. Motherfuck that, I miss my nigga. I'ma mourn you till I join you.
You got to worry about how long I'ma mourn you. I'ma keep your name on the street. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now. In God we trust. Even all the praise can bring you back to us. I want you till I do you, cause I'll keep in touch. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now. In God we trust. Even all the praise can bring you back to us. I want you till I do you, cause I'll keep in touch.
I'm your true motherfucker, Thug Nation alert. Keep his name on the streets till you lay in the dirt. This shit hurt, cause we went from poor to rich. It's supposed to seen a lot more than this. They propped you up, locked you up when you did above the rim. They let you out, you called us out, we came and thugged again. We were here, rapists, they shout. Y'all was talking shit that y'all ain't know a damn thing about. You was going through your stress while your enemies laugh. Ain't never take no shit and Tupac never took no ass. Fuck the press, fuck the world, life goes on when you die. Fuck the courts, fuck the judge and every bitch that lie. A little time tick by my whole knot got rocked. My lady waking me up yelling, Tretch, Pac got shot. Soon as I get there, I find a fiending urging me, saying convince my baby don't leave after surgery. So I'm looking in her eyes while they walking me through, thinking Pac hardhead, what the hell I'ma do? So we kick it, I say stay, then I ask what you need. You say a pound for coming, nigga, and a hit of some weed. So I ask you not to go over and over, God knows. You just smile and said, nigga, help me get on my clothes. So we got over that, you healed up, got locked. I dropped kites about life, they had you caged when I stopped. Yeah, the chain remained, plus you was a part of my link. They fucked up by giving you too much time to think. I remember your release and we met up in LA. At the bill you getting blazed, handing out with the hate. After that you blew up, a main nigga, platinum plus, addicted to drama, a soldier with a nation of thugs. Now we thug of the year. I'ma mourn you till I join
Ashes
you.
to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now. In God we trust. Even all the praise can bring it back to us. I want you till I join you, plus I'll keep in touch. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now. In God we trust. Even all the praise can bring it back to us. I want you till I join you, plus I'll keep in touch. That's what we'll do.
Wow. Damn. That was freaking beautiful, man. Damn. Tretch, I love you for that, man. That was awesome, dude. That was crazy, man. He was reminiscing about, you know, the stuff that they did and where they went and the shit that happened. And, man, he loved his friend, man. Damn. That was awesome, man. That was very sad, very heartfelt, man. Man, you got to love Tretch for that, man. Because you know what? All the bullshit, all the stuff that happens in life, whatever, you know, it comes down to love, man. It really does. It don't matter how much money you got. It don't matter. It matters about all the things that, you know, between you and your partners, you and your woman, you and your family and all that other stuff, man. Damn. That was solid, man. I love that song a lot. That's one of my most favorite songs. I'd say play it at my funeral, but my white folks would not understand. So I'm sorry about that. That's just what it is, man. Damn. So that's all right, man. I'm trying to clear out my ignorance. That's all that matters. So, all right. I appreciate y'all. Man, that was a great call, y'all, for bringing that forward. Damn. That was awesome. 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 Now, that's the kind of shit I love, man. Damn, right there. If that don't get you right up in here, then you ain't got something in here to get. So, there you go. I appreciate y'all, man. Damn. That was nice. All right. I'll see y'all later.